all Jaiñtia muster role and labor union. Mentaka sngi ka khat nyotarik unailar arjar arpulai kala penlong ya ka jelang ba. Hapo thadas kain block. Hakani ka jelang la dolang ru umti ramba ka jela kondat sangma. Umti ramba sembut bas nyo barang dhar bat kui dia ki hia Sorkar. Kini ka jelang ka sisin sisnem jogan ka seng. Haka bakala don ka jimpun ku boram ru ikin Nongbylla. Dak ispangun kin Nongbylla kan theba chana kila pois kan ka jelang banyak kira ni ke babun kiman. Kibakta ikin Nongbylla bat kamjuru ikin muster rule. Nalor umti rang ba baru sembut umti rang ba la dan ru kiwe pat ki program ki ba jing shat ki keben kum kada ka jing sumha ba ka jing pensultanan ia kan dikasngi. Hakan di ka jelang la yo jing kren ru na umti rang ba kamjuru na ba snyau ba lang thar. Ukon rasama haba kren kan di ka jelang ulo ong ba ulo yu I ha ba udana ka Sorkar ha bona ka liang persya ya ka jing ba ki pat ba ki ya kendu. Bat kam tam ya ka jing jong ki muster rule bat ni mata ka down na ka liang ka Sorkar ka simkhia man pej. Ya ka kamiat bat ka bit ka biang jong baro ki Nongbylla.
The decision must be guided by whether it is good for the people or not. We had the opportunity to serve our state in the last many years before 2018 as MLAs, as opposition leader, as MP. We saw the suffering that people were going through. I saw the suffering of the master roads. I remember as Member of Parliament, your advisor and your advisor and the founder of the all Jaiñtia master rolls, workers and labor union, Make El Pariat. I don't know if you all know this or not, but we used to chat on Facebook and other social media 10 years back. That is how long I know him for. Even that time he used to tell me about the problems of the master road, about the problems of the cooks. We used to discuss. So it's not that I'm here just because you invited me today and just because we have done few things. I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years. Even when I was not Chief Minister. And hence when I got the opportunity to be the Chief Minister, rightly as said by Mas Nongbylla, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the Chief Secretary and the finance and other officials, why can't we give the master rolls their salary on time? If all of us are receiving our salary on the 1st, why give a different treatment to the master rolls? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told Finance Department, release the money in advance. Gave 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out. But the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many master roles, different departments have different systems. But I'm happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the master roles today are getting their salaries on time. We are ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation to take care of the expenditures that you have.